Top 10 highest paying jobs in the Philippines Part 2. So seafarer, again, pag entry level, mas mababa. Pag tumatagal ka, mas lumalaki sweldo mo. Pwede ka pang commercialize or yung sa passenger crew. Of course, specialized skill to kasi pinag-aralan din naman nila to bago sila sumakay sa barko. Bank manager, credit analyst, before naman ma-promote ka as bank manager, dadaan ka rin series of tests at saka skills, marami kang kailangan kasi you're taking care of people's money. Computer engineer. So, marami silang inaaral software and hardware of the PC. Kaya very specialized skill ito. Mataas rin yung sweldo nito. Average lang 47, but of course, pag mas marami kang alam, mas marami kang skills, mas mataas yung value mo. Geologist, again, specialized skill din ito, inaral din to, gumastos din siya. So, mataas rin yung average monthly salary niya. And minor or minahan, mataas rin yung risk mo kasi papasok ka dun sa cave, di ba? Yung buhay mo nakasalalay doon. And very specialized din to, inaaral din tong craft na ito. Like and follow.